In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve the lander forwarding problem on GoDaddy. If your domain keeps bouncing to a lander page or won't forward where you expect, it's usually caused by a conflict between DNS-A records and a domain forward. Let's walk through the exact places in GoDaddy to fix it, and I'll point out what to look for so you don't accidentally break a working site. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account. Once you're in, click your profile picture or name in the top right. From that menu, open My Products so you can see everything tied to your account. Find the domain section, then choose Manage All to open your full domain portfolio. This puts you in the right place to manage DNS and forwarding. Select the domain that's having the lander issue and go into DNS management. Here's where most conflicts live. In the DNS records table, look for A records. An A record points your domain to a specific server IP address. If you're using GoDaddy's domain forwarding, you typically don't want stray A records pointing somewhere else. Identify and remove any A records that you don't actually need for your active website or forwarding setup. If you're unsure, take a quick screenshot before deleting so you can undo a change if necessary. Keep any A record that your current hosting provider requires, but remove old or duplicate ones that could be hijacking traffic. Next, scroll to the forwarding section within DNS management. This is where domain level and subdomain level forwards are configured. Open the forward you're using. If the destination URL is wrong, incomplete, or pointing to the wrong protocol, fix it now. If it looks messy or you're not confident it was set up correctly, it's often cleaner to delete the forward and recreate it so you start fresh. The goal is a single clean forward pointing exactly to the final URL you want visitors to land on. After you save changes, give DNS time to update. While most changes take effect within minutes to an hour, it can take up to 48 hours to fully propagate worldwide. Avoid making rapid, repeated edits during this period, as that can extend the wait. If you still see the lander behavior after waiting, clear your browser cache or test the domain in an incognito or private window. This helps rule out cached redirects. You can also try from a different device or network to confirm you're seeing the live version. That's it. By cleaning up unnecessary A records and resetting your forward, you should eliminate the lander problem and get your domain pointing exactly where it should.